Now, welcome back to my channel. We are asked that to find the derivative of this equation. There's a given that y equals 2 over x cubed plus square root of x. We should find the first order differential. So this is going to be, I'm going to write this in the simplest form so that it can be easy for me to um, simplify. So I now say y equals 2 multiplied by x power negative 3. That is what this simply means. Then plus x raised to power 1 over 2. Okay? So I now have y equals 2x power negative 3 plus x 1 over 2. So now I cannot differentiate. So I now have the y, the x will now be negative 3 multiplied by 2x raised to power negative 3 minus 1. Then plus 1 over 2 multiplied by x 1 over 2 minus 1, right? So I now have the y, the x will now be negative 6x raised to power 4, negative 4, plus 1 over 2 x raised to power negative 1 over 2. So that is what is going to give us. So I can now write this as the y, the x, to be negative 6 over x power 4, then plus 1 over 2x, then 1 over 2. All right. Or you can still write this as, which is not really recommended, but just for your own learning, you can still write this to be negative 6 over x power 4 plus 1 over 2 square root of x. Okay. It's not always standard practice to write your square root on the denominator. Okay. But this is your final answer because they ask you to find only the y, the x. If they ask you to find second order derivative, then you can go further from this.